Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and now it's time for the nation's sharpest opinion. The Pakistani army and the ISI is obsessed with the Republic Media Network. We know that. We know they watch. We know that they know everything we know about them. Ladies and gentlemen, you will remember Pakistan hates us so much, that the Pakistan Foreign Ministry, when Imran Khan was Prime Minister, has issued press releases against the Republic Media Network. Now, viewers, day before yesterday, we put out the name of the specific Major General of the Pakistani army. And we said this man is the man who has moved to Muzaffarabad and is trying to lead an SSG-backed, supported an SSG, Pak SSG-involved attempt to infiltrate across into South Kashmir and in the Jammu region. And everybody in Pakistan was shocked. How does Republic know the name? Well, the name of the person is Major General Adil Rahmani. Viewers, not only did we reveal the name of Major General Adil Rahmani, we had on air that night Dr. Amjad Ayub Mirza, General G.D. Bakshi, who shared with us details of the information they had on the SSG involvement. And what we carried got noticed across Pakistan, and they realized that their mask of secrecy has been removed. Viewers, when the mask of secrecy is removed, that's when the Pakistanis get nervous, because they know Republic won't stop at that. So immediately, within 24 hours of the Republic Media Network exclusive report on this program, the Pakistanis have sacked the Major General we spoke about and told him, Republic knows who you are, what you're doing. You've taken off the mask of secrecy, and therefore he has been sacked, and sacked to some Department of Physical Fitness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a coincidence. Let me underline, this is not the coincidence. When India's largest news network exposes the name of the devilish officer responsible for attempted infiltration into our soil, then Pakistan knows the mask is off and more is coming. And I want to tell the Pakistani army tonight, we know every move of yours. You've sacked this Major General Adil Rahmani after our news report. He was the GOC of the SSG of your army. You got so embarrassed when we started reporting it that you took it off the Twitter handle of the ISPR, which means that we caught you with your hands in the cookie jar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Republic on one side, our media network, and these ISI guys, these Pak SSG guys on the other. Let's debate.
All is not well in the Pakistan army. After Republic exposed direct link of the Pakistani SSG with the recent surge of terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, reports now suggest the SSG chief, Major General Rahmani, in charge of infiltration operations into India, has been shunted out by the Pakistani army. The link to SSG was incontrovertible. This after the Indian army confiscated AUG rifles from the neutralized terrorists after counter-terror operations in Kupwara. Watch this video in which you can clearly see that exact same AUG rifle being used by the Pakistan SSG force for training at an undisclosed Pakistani army base. Same guns, same training, same commanders, same modus operandi. The link to the SSG is undeniable. Not just that, General Asim Munir is also said to be on a mega army rejig drive, something that his fellow generals are not so happy about. In a bid to replace the army leadership with close confidants, the Pakistani army's top general announced new transfers in the organization. But to his surprise, his leadership refused to comply.
The authorities of Pakistan's armed forces replaced General Adil Rahmani, the GOC of SSG commandos, with General Ahmed Jawad. It was done yesterday, but it is interesting to note that Pakistan's mainstream media first published the news and later on removed this news item from their website. And now nobody is talking about this high-profile transfer and poster.
Within hours, the DGISPR was forced to retract the orders from its website. With media outlets once again gagged from reporting on the incident, it is clear Pakistan's clumsy attempts to infiltrate en masse in Jammu and Kashmir have set the gears of rumbling in motion within the Pakistan Army. The question remains, is the shunting out of the SSG chief a sign of acceptance by Pakistan of its botched up infiltration operation?
And viewers from Pakistan, I'm joined by Dr. Irshad Ahmad Khan of the PMLN and Abdul Samad Yaqub of the PTI. हंसने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है डॉक्टर इरशाद अहमद खान, दुनिया को पता है आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं।
हम झूठ पे हंस रहे हैं आप लोगों के,
जी
झूठ पे हंसते हैं हम आप।
जी जी जी। और हमारे साथ भारत की ओर से मेजर समर पाल तूर, वेल नोन डिफेंस एक्सपर्ट, जनरल जीडी बख्शी और पहला सवाल मेरा है डॉक्टर अमजद अयूब मिर्ज़ा से। डॉक्टर मिर्ज़ा हमारे प्रोग्राम में थे 2 दिन पहले, ही वॉज ऑन आवर प्रोग्राम 2 days बैक, और मैंने उन्हें पूछा था कि डॉक्टर मिर्ज़ा, हु इज़ द मैन हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू इन्फिल्ट्रेट, और उन्होंने कहा था अर्नब, द मैन्स नेम इज़ जनरल आदिल रहमानी। जनरल आदिल रहमानी जो GOC है SSG के, और ये परसों की प्रोग्राम थी, और मैंने उनको पूछा था व्हाट आर योर सोर्सेज, हाउ डू यू नो। उन्होंने कहा कि मेजर जनरल आदिल रहमानी हैज मूव्ड टू मुजफ्फराबाद, ही वांट्स टू इन्फिल्ट्रेट 600, ही इज कैरिंग आउट अ मेजर इन्फिल्ट्रेशन, एंड ही गेव ऑल द डिटेल्स। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, डॉक्टर अमजद अयूब मिर्जा, इज दिस द सेम आदिल रहमानी हु हैज बीन रिमूव्ड टुडे?
Yes, sir. This is the same person. He has been removed today and he has been made Director General of DG of Fitness and Sports Section in the Pakistan Army. This is a way they gradually demote you and then get rid of you. I have another breaking news now that Pakistan SSG commandos, in collaboration with an organization called Kashmir Tigers in Jammu Kashmir, are planning an attack either on the 9th or the 10th of August in Jammu during the Miss Universe competition. I had the information a few days ago that something is being cocked up from like 8th to 11th, but now we have specific information. Just an hour ago, I received this information that this is being planned. That's why they have gone hush-hush, because they are planning a major attack. But I hope that this attack, after this information has been leaked out through your channel, this will also fail.
Yes, social media की झूठी खबरों को
actually Republic TV and myself, I think we have successfully averted Kargil to Arnab Bhai, and we have saved thousands of loss of life in our Desh, Bharat Mata.
आपने जैसे एक्सपोज किया, आपने जिस तरह से एक्सपोज किया, उसके लिए आई सल्यूट यू डॉक्टर मिर्जा। और ये पाकिस्तानी ये PMLN के नेता कुछ भी बोलेंगे, आपको पर्सनली अटैक करेंगे, बट आई सल्यूट यू। ये पर्सनली अटैक करेंगे क्योंकि आपने इनका एक्सपोज, ये करेंगे पर्सनली अटैक। आई सल्यूट यू सर। भारत माता की जय सर।
के साथ डिबेट करता हूं, ये सोशल मीडिया की बातों को ऐसे करता है ये बैठ करके डॉक्टर साहब कि मुझे शर्म आती है इनको कश्मीरी कहते हुए। कश्मीरी तो लोग मुहिब्बे वतन है, जो पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत करते हैं, जो हमेशा नारा लगाते हैं कश्मीर बनेगा पाकिस्तान।
है ही नहीं, वो तो सारे जमवाल हैं, वो तो पहाड़ी हैं,
झूठे इंसान है। एक देखिए
तो है ही नहीं।
सोशल मीडिया पे एक बेगैरती की मुहिम चली हुई है, जो मेरी पाक आर्मी के खिलाफ, मेरे अजीम इदारे के खिलाफ जो बातें करते हैं, ये लगाते हैं और डिलीट करते हैं। आप ये समझिए कि हमारी एक ताकतवर आर्मी का इदारा है जो डिसिप्लिन है और जो कि आर्मी चीफ के मातहत आता है और आर्मी चीफ ही हमारा
छोड़
लीडर
दीजिए।
है।
General
आर्मी का।
Bakshi is also
और
on the
उनके-
debate.
उनके आर्डर के अलावा कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि अयूब मिर्जा साहब
One minute,
जैसे आकर के
one minute.
बात
I
करें
also
मेरी
want to
पार्टी
get,
के खिलाफ।
I also want to get General Bakshi. General Bakshi, 2 days back you were also on the debate. Samarpal ji, General Bakshi was also on the debate, and he said, Arnab, we
Yes,
must
sir.
expose these people. He said, Arnab, it's your national duty to expose these people. He called me in the morning, and for me, General Bakshi is like a father-like figure. Whatever he says are his orders, and I am proud to say that. And today you see the impact, General Bakshi. Within 2 days, there is action. So somewhere the Pakistani military establishment is also watching the Indian media and deciding that the secrecy has been exposed somewhere of this particular operation, infiltration operation.
Absolutely, Arnab, I'd like to humbly state that the essence of a clandestine operations, especially by an elite outfit like the SSG commandos are supposed to be, is operational security. You see, is operational security. The moment that is compromised, that operation is kaput. And in my army, in all armies the world over, there is a heavy price to pay if you compromise operational security. Adil Rahmani was the commander of the SSG. He was in Muzaffarabad with 2 additional SSG battalions trying to push across one whole SSG battalion onto our side to carry out mayhem, right? And when it was pointed out on your channel, the very next day we see a reaction. It confirms our suspicions. Arnab, I think your expose has done wonders. Adil Rahmani has been sacked. He's been preemptorily removed, sent to the Department of Physical Fitness and Sports and what have you. You don't do that to an SSG general. He's supposed to be a bright spark of any army, you know, and he is supposed to be responsible for the security of the army chief. Quite obviously, the army chief, Paki army chief, Munir Saab, is very upset that if a guy can't maintain operational security, how the hell will he protect him? He is worried about his skin. You know, Arnab, let me talk as a military professional. Let me talk as a military professional. It's very simple. Is the SSG inside our territory? If so, what are the signs that we would see thereof? We would push our troops forward. When we start patrolling, operating, we get kinetic contacts. We've had a number of about 7 kinetic contacts in the last month alone. We've lost 12 of our brave hearts because these were all in the dense jungle, where the ambusher has the total advantage of opening fire first and fleeing in that jungle. We have recovered in the Kupwara bat action 1 Pakistani AUG assault rifle bullpup design, the one that you were showing them practicing with. This is not issued to normal soldiers. This is not issued to run-of-the-mill terrorists from the low-down tanzeems, which are very low down in the food chain. This is the equipment of the SSG. So the SSG has been located in Kupwara. Just today, Arnab, one of these SSG boys has been shot trying to cross the border. His name is Noam. And this boy we were able to recognize because he has been the personal guard of Hafiz Saeed, tall, huge fellow who has been seen on our TV cameras, on Pakistani TV cameras, Pakistani news channels. The SSG is involved. And if the SSG is directly involved, this is an act of war.
Absolutely.
And Adil Rahmani has gotten the boot because he has compromised, operational security.
In fact,
because under his command, operational security has been loose.
Your
channel showed it all on TV.
Yes, we did. My
No wonder
point,
Asim
however, is that
Munir Saab
today,
is livid.
today we know
No
that
wonder he is livid.
today
But Arnab,
Abdul Samad
I
Yaqub,
think this is for the
after,
good.
you see, Abdul Samad Yaqub, today your army has broken up. जो भी बाकी थी आपकी आर्मी में, वन लेट मी
ये
कंप्लीट।
आपकी सोच लग रही है।
मैं बोल रहा
ये
हूँ,
सिर्फ
मैं
आपके
बोल
सोच
मैं
में
बोल
गया।
रहा हूँ ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरी सोच ऐसी है, मेरी सोच भारतीय
सोच
सोच है,
करेंगे।
मेरी
मैंने
आपकी
आपको
जैसी,
कहता हूं कि
मेरी
अपनी
आपकी
सोच
जैसी ये
बदलिए,
पाकिस्तानी वाली सोच नहीं है।
आप लोग
वी आर
जब
नॉट लाइक
सोच
दिस
नहीं
पाकिस्तानीज,
बदलेंगे,
वी आर नॉट लाइक
सोच
यू
नहीं
पाकिस्तानी,
बदलेंगे,
हमारी
जब
सोच
तक
भारतीय
ये
सोच
हाथ
है।
रहेंगे,
नहीं,
तो
आप ये पाकिस्तानी सोच अपने पास
आपकी
रखिए।
दहशतगर्द सोच
Anyway,
है,
now
आप
my
दहशतगर्दी
question is,
फैलाते हैं,
इसी
अपने
आपके
चैनल्स के
my
थ्रू
my question
दहशतगर्दी
is,
फैलाते हैं।
समरपाल तूर is there with us. हमको सबको पता है समरपाल तूर, आज हालत पाकिस्तान आर्मी की, खुली लड़ाई है वहां पे,
बड़ी जबरदस्त आर्मी
पूरी
है
लड़ाई
पाकिस्तान की,
है।
अजीम,
there is no
अजीम
there is
आर्मी है।
there is a revolt against the Pakistan army chief today. कोई कह सकता है कि नहीं है? रिवोल्ट नहीं है? आपको पता नहीं क्या हुआ पाकिस्तान आर्मी में आज?
मुझे
आज मैं बताऊं, आज इनको
आपके झूठ पर
शर्म आती है इन
हमारी
लोगों
कुछ नहीं हुआ।
को। इन्होंने सारे लोगों को अपॉइंट किया, रीअपॉइंट किया, फिर रिट्रैक्ट किया, फिर गन पॉइंट पे ऑफिसर्स, जनरल ऑफिसर्स, कमांडिंग और कोर कमांडर ने बोला हम आपको हटा देंगे। देयर इज एन ओपन फाइट बिटवीन द आर्मी चीफ एंड द कोर कमांडर्स एंड ऑल द अपॉइंटमेंट्स वर रिट्रैक्टेड। वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. There is open war inside the Pakistani army, ladies and gentlemen. It has announced a major reshuffle of its high-ranking officers. Asim Munir wanted to put his people into more prominent positions to tighten his hold on power. There is massive pushback. And the generals are saying, we will not allow you to do what you are doing, Asim Munir, otherwise we will hang you. Asim Munir डर गया है, रिट्रैक्ट कर दिया है चीजें, सबको पता है. You are a country in chaos.
डरेगा नहीं। एक वो
You are a country in chaos. Okay, समरपाल तूर.
अर्नब, पहली चीज तो पिछले हफ्ते जब आयूब खान जी ने एक ट्वीट किया था तो रात के 11 बज रहे थे इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम, और मैंने साथ ही साथ पहली चीज कर्नल हनी बख्शी को ये मैसेज भेजा और बोला कि सर मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है, आप मुझे कंफर्म करके बताओ whether this information is accurate or not. And simultaneously I shared the same information with my friends in IB and RAW, and eventually with time, after 4 days, after Republic TV also got to know about this, we have seen the result today itself live on TV. So to start with, मैं पहले दर्शकों को बताना चाहूंगा कि मेजर जनरल अंजुम रियाज जो ये लाहौर में थे, उन्हें अब GOC 7 डिव उनको पोस्ट कर दिया है खैबर पख्तूनवा में, और कहा जाता है कि ही इज वेरी गुड एट विनिंग हार्ट्स एंड माइंड्स। तो अब जाके पाकिस्तान आर्मी को पता लग रहा है कि मरहम लगाने से बात बनेगी, ना कि गोली चलाने से और वहां के लोगों को मारने से। तो बेसिकली एंड कहा जा रहा है दैट मेजर जनरल अंजुम रियाज का फ्यूचर इज वेरी ब्राइट, and इसलिए they have sent him to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to control the situation with the Baluch people over there. Secondly, incoming general जो आए हैं GOC SSG मेजर जनरल अहमद जावेद, ये 28 बलूच के हैं, and now it is said that he has been told to lay dogo after the expose of General Adil's plans. अब it is a overall state failure of Pakistan ISI. रीजन भी, इन्होंने वहां के जो आम जनता है, जो आम लोग हैं, उनको इतना तंग किया हुआ है कि अब करप्शन बहुत डीप जा चुकी है पाकिस्तान में कि अब ये इंफॉर्मेशन मीडिया हाउसेस को भी ओपनली अवेलेबल कर रही है पाकिस्तान पब्लिक। अदर देन दैट मैं आपको एक डाउट क्लियर करवा देता हूं। अभी कुछ दिन पहले पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री एकेडमी में पासिंग आउट परेड हुई, वहां पे किसी रिटायर्ड कर्नल साहब ने अपने बेटे की कमिश्निंग की वहां पे वीडियो डाली। आप नीचे कमेंट्स पढ़िएगा पाकिस्तानी सिटीजन्स के, वो कह रहे थे कि देखिए नए प्रॉपर्टी डीलर की कमिश्निंग हो रही है, कह रहे ये जमीन के डीलर नए आ रहे हैं, इनका नया इंडक्शन हो रहा है। मतलब बिल्कुल ही इज्जत खत्म हो चुकी है पाकिस्तान आर्मी की, पाकिस्तान की आवाम के आंखों में, और करप्शन इतनी ज्यादा हो चुकी है जब से इन्होंने इमरान खान की जो गवर्नमेंट को टॉपल किया है कि वहां पे पब्लिक अब आर्मी के खिलाफ ही हुई पड़ी है। और इसी नतीजे की वजह से अयूब खान जी को कनाडा अब्रॉड बैठे हुए ये खबरें मिल रही हैं, और हमें इस बार हमें भी खबरें मिल रही हैं। तो आप चाहे डिनाइल में रहें या जो मर्जी बोलें,
आपके एजेंट
आपका
है वो।
सिस्टम फेल हो चुका है।
बोले नहीं, अयूब मिर्जा आपका एजेंट है, वो झूठ बोलता है बैठ करके मीडिया पर, वो कभी
तो
भी
आपको
सच
क्यों
बोलेगा
टेंशन
नहीं।
हो रही है?
अयूब मिर्जा को बीच में डालिए।
अपने बाप का भी पता नहीं है जो हिंदुस्तान के लिए।
Why are you reacting?
मैं तो
Information
भारत
is
वासी हूँ,
inaccurate.
मैं भारत का पक्का भारत के अवाम का एजेंट हूँ, भारत की जनता का एजेंट हूँ। भारत मेरा देश है। मैं तुम्हारी तरह थोड़ी हूँ, तुम्हारे माँ बाप हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुए, तुम अपने माँ बाप की जन्मभूमि को
गलत है तो प्लीज
मैं तो मेरे बाप की जन्मभूमि है।
मुझे मिले, मैं इसके गले में रस्सी डाल करके पाकिस्तान
आप इतने जज्बाती क्यों हो रहे हो?
और इससे पूछूं,
अगर आप क्लेम कर रहे हो कि ये सारी खबरें गलत हैं, तो आप इतने जज्बाती हो कि why are you getting
आप ही लगाते हैं, आप ही क्यों मैं जज्बाती नहीं हूँ, मैं सच बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि अयूब मिर्जा
देखो ये हमेशा मुझे धमकी देता है, 2 दफा ये मुझे कत्ल करने की धमकी दे चुका है, 2 दफा ये मुझे कत्ल करने की धमकी दे चुका है डॉक्टर इरशाद, कि मैं तुम्हें डीप चौक में टांगूंगा, तुम्हारी जुबान बाहर खींच के निकालूंगा लाइव टीवी पे।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि तुम
Ayub ji, you are well protected by the Indian state. Do not worry.
क्या करते हो बात?
You are well protected by
तुम लंदन में मैं तुम्हें मिलता हूँ, तुम वापस ना जाते, तुम जेल में होते। You racist.
बस बच गए तुम।
You are a racist.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, सिर्फ तुम्हें मिलने गया था मैं लंदन में ना, मैं देखना चाहता था हिंदुस्तान का एजेंट रहता किधर है और करता क्या है, खाता कहाँ से है, पीता कहाँ से है। इसका मतलब इंडिया से पैसा आता है। अयूब मिर्जा
मैं मिला नहीं आपको,
पाकिस्तान,
मैं मिला नहीं आपको।
पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जहर उगलता है, पाकिस्तान आर्मी के खिलाफ, और झूठ ऐसे बोलते हैं कि सच लगे, लेकिन सच होगा नहीं, क्योंकि मेरी पाक
अभी
आर्मी,
जो आपकी आर्मी ने महिला के
एक मिनट अब्दुल समाद याकूब 1 मिनट जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू व्हाट हैज हैपेंड व्यूअर्स। मेजर जंजुआ आप चुप हो जाइए 2 मिनट। मेजर जंजुआ, अब्दुल समाद याकूब, ये देखिए हाउ द कुकी हैज क्रम्बल्ड। अब्दुल समाद याकूब, Pakistan was thinking it will use the SSG to infiltrate into India. 2 days back I said on my program, I said we will hit you so hard, we will kill all these SSG men who have come. We will kill them, you won't even claim their bodies. And eventually I said 2 days back, this SSG man will lose his job. I said that 2 days back.
Yes.
Today he's lost his job. I'm telling you, you are in a mess. Major Janjua, I said he will lose his job. He has lost his job.
Okay. Can I say
Did I not say he will lose his job? Did I not say we'll break up the SSG?
Arnab, you keep
Did I
saying
not
all those
say we
things
will
are-
break up the SSG?
Arnab, when you get drunk at 9 o'clock at night, you come on your own television station and then
Oh, please.
you are
I am a
entitled to say
teetotaler,
anything
I'm
you
not
want.
like you.
You can say anything you like, so I
Sir,
am
I'll
not
tell you
sure
one
what
thing.
you say.
I only have green tea, and I told you having green tea in my studio, I told you, having green tea in my studio, I told you, this SSG man will lose his job. हम आपके SSG को तोड़ेंगे और 2 दिन के अंदर वो निकल गए क्या? नहीं, आप मुझे tell me why.
Arnab Goswami, listen to me. I know the officer Adil Rahmani from the time he was a second lieutenant. We were in the same brigade. He was my junior. I know him very well. What a polished and what an excellent officer. And for your kind information, at least here, there are 2 people who understand military postings and transfers. Even if still, listen.
A rapist, General Rahmani, who was caught in PC,
Ayub Mirza,
22-year-old
jokers like you,
in a room,
Ayub Mirza,
and
I
then
know
straight away
you are not
GSQ
paid by
बुलाया
the
उसको.
Ayub Mirza, shut your mouth.
भेजता हूँ.
Shut your mouth, Ayub Mirza.
Don't abuse.
I told you
आपका
Don't
नाम क्या है?
abuse.
आपका तो नाम भी नहीं पता हमें.
Don't
आपका नाम
abuse.
क्या है? आप आर्मी के हैं.
Major Janjua, I
Arnab,
think
tell
that
him to
SSG
stop.
Lieutenant
Arnab,
Colonel is your
tell him to
relative.
stop.
Samarpal Toor, please. Samarpal Toor.
Arnab, first of
Major
all,
Janjua,
shutting
the
the
incompetent
mouth is no
officer of
abuse.
SSG assigned to infiltrate into Kashmir is also Janjua. तो आप पहले अपने कास्ट वालों को समझाओ, ठीक है, कि जंजुआज आर सो इनकॉम्पिटेंट. मैं तो हैरान हूँ कि हम इनवाइटिंग यू ऑन स्क्रीन इज अ वेरी
Samarpal Toor.
हम आपके लिए
Samarpal Toor gives it back to Major Janjua of Pakistan.
मेरी कास्ट
ठीक है. तो मेजर जंजुआ, जो जिस जंजुए को इन्होंने अपॉइंट किया था फॉर इन्फिल्ट्रेशन, ही हैज फेल्ड हिज टास्क. He has failed his GOC, and literally, who sends a GOC of SSG as a एज
If
अ
you are
फिटनेस
becoming personal,
डायरेक्टरेट
if
हेड
you have come to the
मतलब वो
point of
पीटी इंस्ट्रक्टर
pointing
लगा
to
दिया
my
उसको
past,
मतलब इट इज अ शेम इट इज सो डीमीनिंग फॉर एसएसजी GOC
Now my question is Abdul Samad Yaqub. Abdul Samad Yaqub, Imran Khan is in jail. They are trying to infiltrate India. We killed all the SSG people they sent. एक को पकड़ के मारा.
Oh, really?
और अभी
Did
वो
you kill them
SSG
all?
वाले की नौकरी चली गई. No, I said this. मैंने 2 दिन
अपनी
पहले कहा नहीं था.
पोस्टिंग हुई है.
अरे मेजर साहब मैंने 2 दिन पहले कहा नहीं था. Didn't I tell you we will hammer you? He will lose his job.
Oh, really?
Next time I
you
say
hammered.
something,
Oh, really?
take me seriously. Janjua.
कितना
You got
झूठ बोलते
hammering.
हैं बैठ करके अर्नब जी
You got hammered,
ऐसा
अर्नब.
झूठ बोलते हैं
Arnab.
लेकिन
अरे
अर्नब,
मेजर जंजुआ
हौसला
प्लीज
करो.
हैव सम शेम
Just
Please,
wait a
please
minute.
accept that there has been a
Didn't I say he will lose his
failure
job?
of the Pakistani intelligence ISI. It
You
has
have
been
a paranoia.
a very phenomenal
Mr.
Jal Bakshi is also on the debate,
You
ladies and
have- you have-
gentlemen. And Abdul Samad Yaqub,
Again-
what's your advice to Major Janjua tonight? Hey, Abdul Samad Yaqub, you must caution him.
तुमको ख्वाब
Abdul
देने
Samad
का
Yaqub, you must caution him.
Conventional attacks. Every single Pakistani
Once I get,
trooper was thrown
I will allow-
on the other side of
Janjua,
JLC.
Janjua with jail.
Okay, we know how to turn surprise to victory.
Oh,
we have
well
done
said,
it
well
many
said.
times.
Well said.
Janjua Saab,
बख्शी साहब,
you have to
बख्शी
grow
साहब,
up.
Grow up,
साहब,
Janjua.
आपको शायद अपने
And
अल्फाज
your
याद कराऊं.
cohort,
आपको
Adil
अपने अल्फाज याद
Rahmani,
कराऊं?
I feel
चलें,
sorry
चलें.
for him that he is now managing
have
the
to feel sorry
sports
for
and
him. I just want you to
industry
take
in
a
your
jail
country.
break.
What a sad end for a
परेशान होना
SSG
छोड़ें.
commander.
I know you
What a sad end. Just today you had a
paranoid
conference
about
in your
Pakistani
GHQ
military.
where the corps
Bakshi
commanders
Saab.
seem to have given it back to your chief. He's been made
Bakshi
to
Saab.
withdraw the posting orders
Saab.
that
We are
were
hitting
issued.
you, we'll hit you back.
All right,
Jal,
you better look,
Major Abdul Samad
Bakshi
Yaqub,
Saab,
why don't you
you
tell
are heading
Abdul
up-
Samad Yaqub, why don't you tell the Pakistani army officers to behave themselves?
Janjua साहब जरा allow कीजिएगा. Well, this Major General Adil Rahmani,
Janjua in the
for me, I mean, seems to be quite interesting character. I mean,
Janjua का नाम पूछा
Ayub
क्या है?
Adil Raja is reporting about him, tweeting about him. Then Major Adil Raja is telling a different story, entirely a different story. Then your channel in the morning was telling the different story. So I mean, for you,
Sir, you only believe Republic. I'll tell you, we are the authentic people on this. We know what's
even
going on.
your army doesn't take you serious. Your people doesn't take you serious. I mean, your channel.
Well, I mean, we are the largest
And you
network
really
in
want
India.
Adil Raja
We are
as
India's
well.
most, we are the
About
most
Janjua's
watched,
friend.
largest network in the world's largest
He has
democracy. आप
accused
क्या
him
बात
of-
कर
At
रहे
this
हैं?
moment, you
Sir,
are relying on
सबसे बड़ी network है
I
भारत की.
despise you for saying that statement.
at this moment,
If you
your
are
source
despising
is,
Republic
Ayub
TV,
Adil Mirza. I
then
mean,
why have
this
you
is
come on
quite,
Republic TV?
जाएंगे
funny
अब
for
जाइए ना, निकलिए यहाँ से.
you are taking.
Shame on you. We are trying to get you on screen to give an
Oh,
authentic
भाई, कौन आ
statement,
गए हो?
and you are the one
Oh,
who's
भाई.
questioning
Your
Republic
people
Network.
act like clowns.
आप ओवर
Your
एक्साइटेड हो
SSG
गए
अरे खुद
commander.
को लिहाज और शर्म करो.
Your SSG commander
तो यार आप पहली
goes
दफा
around
टीवी पे आके
philandering.
ओवर एक्साइटेड हो
That
गया
is what
आपके शो
Adil
पे,
Raja
जरा
has
खामोश
said
होके बैठो,
on
दूसरे को बोलने दो.
on your social media. Major Adil Raja, okay?
बुझा
He is one of yours. Pakistan Army Major, Field Officer, like this Janjua character here.
बख्शी साहब,
Adil Raja is a good
He
friend
says
of
very
mine.
colorful
साहब.
things about your friend. Janjua, you might as
Bakshi
well
साहब,
go and check
Bakshi-
your social
Yeah.
media
पीछे।
as to what Adil Raja,
बख्शी साहब,
Major Adil
बख्शी
Raja
साहब,
has said.
बख्शी साहब, आप उम्र के इस हिस्से में लगता है सटिया गए हैं.
पाकिस्तान आर्मी
बख्शी साहब, आप
ज्यादा
सटिया
पंगा
गए
मत
हैं. मैं
लीजिए.
आपकी इज्जत करता हूं, लेकिन
आपको ये कह रहा हूं मेजर जंजू, आप सिर्फ शब्दों
आदिल रहमानी,
आपके ये शब्दों के
मेजर-
साथ मैं लड़ूंगा नहीं. एक बात कहूंगा आपसे मेजर जंजुआ, एक बात आपको क्लियरली कह रहा हूं, आप कभी ये हिम्मत मत करिए कि मेरे पिता समान जनरल जीडी बख्शी के बारे में अपशब्द कहें.
मैं तो
हम उल्टा सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक कर देंगे आप पर. हम उल्टा सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक कर देंगे आप पर.
बख्शी साहब वही हैं जिन्होंने मेरे खानदान
ठीक है, मैं ये कह रहा हूं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं, अरे आप तो इमरान खान को संभाल नहीं पाते. आपकी आर्मी तो ये याकूब साहब बैठे, इनके लीडर को संभाल नहीं पाते. आप तो इमरान खान से डरते हैं. आप इमरान खान से, यू आर पैरानॉइड अबाउट इमरान. हैंडल योर ओन अफेयर्स, हैंडल योर. याकूब, why don't you tell him?
Pakistan Army.
Is the Pakistan Army not scared of Imran Khan?
General Rahmani is the same officer who carried out operations against the Northern Alliance when the Taliban was taking over in Kabul. I can also name the SSG battalions who were involved in this operation.
You are wrong.
Matlab he has been a decorated GOC, but what a shame कि जो MS branch postings निकालती है पाकिस्तान ऑफिसर्स की, उससे पहले रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क को पता चल जाता है कि कौन कहाँ पे पोस्टिंग जा रहा है. ये तो हालत है आपकी
रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क की बड़ी
पाकिस्तान आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर.
रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क की बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन है.
We have loyal people sitting in पाकिस्तान आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर्स इन इस्लामाबाद. हमारे और मुझे एक और बात बताइए, ये 4 दिन पहले जब हम टीवी पे we discussed this general, why is it that after 4 days his posting is coming out? Why could not it be 10 days earlier? Why could not be?
तुम्हारे से पोस्टिंग करेगी एमएस ब्रांच.
या मेजर ओके अब्दुल समद याकूब जवाब दे. याकूब जी,
आपसे सिर्फ एक आपको क्लियर करता हूं कि कोई एक फर्दर पोस्टिंग आप कभी इन फ्यूचर डू लेट मी एटलीस्ट एन और बिफोर कि आप 1 घंटा पहले मुझे एक भी आर्मी की इस मेजर जनरल कोई भी इस लेवल के ऊपर जनरल लेवल के ऊपर की एक पोस्टिंग जो है ना आप मुझे कभी डिस्क्लोज करके दिखा दीजिएगा. ये एक पोस्टिंग्स की बात पहले से चल रही थी, वो बात चल रही थी हमारे सोशल मीडिया की चल रही थी.
मैं ऑफिसर्स की पोस्टिंग आने से पहले प्रिंट आउट आपके पास पहुंचवाऊंगा.
आप मुझे मैं डेयर करता हूं, मैं आपको डेयर करता हूं और आज अर्नब के प्रोग्राम में अर्नब की मौजूदगी में आप मुझे पहले बता दीजिएगा अनलेस के वो हमारे सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर कोई डिस्क्लोज या कोई बाहर ना आए.
General Bakshi, what's the lesson for the Pak Army in this? What is the lesson for the Pak Army in this?
You know, Arnab, the lesson for the, let's now talk on a serious note. Excuse me, can we talk on a more serious note? The lesson for the Pakistan Army is that their operational security is becoming pathetic and lax. Adil Rahmani has paid the price for his failure to keep the operational security of the operation that he was entrusted with. That happens in every army. I feel sorry he was your friend, but I'm not sorry for the fate that he has, invited upon himself. He has been talking loose, very loose. And in such a sensitive appointment, if you talk this loose, you get the axe on your neck. Major Janjua, I'm sure you have adequate service to understand that. I sympathize for your friend who's lost his job, but he could have lost his head. And you know the previous one, the commander SSG who was in
the big story today, which we're leading with at 9 o'clock. How a top Pakistani general, the head of the SSG, GOC of the SSG, lost his job after the Republic Media Network blew the lid, ensuring he doesn't keep his operational secrecy, and he has been kicked out within 2 days of the Republic Media Network report.